I'm with licensed clinical social worker and Phoebe behavioral health therapist Ursula Wright. Ursula, some people love the holidays, but for others, it can be a time of stress and blues. Do you often see people who get down during the holiday season?
Yes, of course. It's a very busy time for me. People are suffering from grief and loss as they struggle with the loss of loved ones. Others are struggling with the financial burden of the holiday season.
So what's your advice for people who may be alone or missing loved ones during the holidays?
If you're alone during the holidays and you're dealing with grief and loss, one of the first things is don't isolate. Don't withdraw socially. Go visit your family and friends. Go see loved ones. Volunteer. Discover a new holiday tradition or do some other things for someone else.
Now, even if we aren't truly depressed, but we're just stressed with the finances and all of the people and things pulling us in different directions, how do we deal with that stress?
Okay, as far as financial stress goes, make a list. Prioritize. Think about what's really important. What do you want to spend money on? You can also share expenses with other family members, as well as have experiences rather than buy presents.
The holidays can be a great time to get together with family, but that can also lead to some difficult situations. What advice do you have to kind of avoid those awkward dinner table conversations or family strife?
Okay, of course. Now, family time is also, can be a stressful time around the holidays. But when those dynamics come into play, have a neutral response ready. When there's politics or religion involved, or divert your attention to another task, excuse yourself. Go ahead with the dishes. Go tend to the children. Also, have a passive involvement in the conversation. Don't say much.
Now, when should people recognize that maybe they need a little help? Maybe they need to talk to a therapist? And what kind of services does Phoebe Behavioral Health offer?
Well, if you're feeling sadness, an acute sadness, loneliness, if you find yourself feeling hopeless or helpless, if you have an acute appetite change, you're not sleeping, you find yourself using substance more than you would normally, please call us. We also have an intensive outpatient program as well as group therapy, we have a children's therapy and individual therapy.
Ursula, thank you so much for your expertise and your advice, and we hope everybody enjoys their holiday season.